Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So, canvas DIY is the topic for today's video. Let's begin. We need canvas board like this, or you can use any kind of normal canvas. Sketch pen, color, brush, plastic or cellophane paper, marker, brush, ruler, pencil. First, I am writing a quote on the canvas. Then paint it with black color. Then use ruler and marker pen to draw a border around it. Next, place the plastic and use some different color sketch pen. Now dip the brush in the water and start to sprinkle it over the plastic. Now just flip the plastic over the canvas, rub it, and now take it off. So this is the final look after it gets dry. So try this out and like my video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you all. Bye.